This video is probably going to be one of the shortest that you have throughout this unit of lessons with the ICAP map and your Pinterest Plainsman portfolio. As you can see, I am going to want you to get logged into your Pinterest account. I am logged in as a student just like you. On this homepage, Pinterest is already suggesting things that I might be interested in. And it's always going to give me new things on my home screen in my feed that align to my interests. And in the future, I'm going to find some really great ideas here. But for today, my objective is to remember to stay focused. And that's where I'm going to lead you in these first opening lessons. Of course, you can always go on to Pinterest, outside of our lessons and explore a little bit more. But I want you to keep this particular account for the time being focused on what we're doing together as a group. So with that focus, we are going to remember that it is super easy to get lost in exploring the internet. It is something that time can just get away from us. So our focus today is going to be short and sweet, and to complete the requirements to set us up for the next stage of completing the Department of Education's requirement of every student in Iowa. You're going to go up to your profile here. It would be a profile photo, but mine still remains faceless right now. I'm going to click on it, and I am Lisa Koch, a member of the class of 2025. I can see on this page the four boards that I've already established. None of them have anything in them. And then today, that's where that's going to change. So please click on your 9th grade board. And I have nothing in there, but it's telling me find some ideas for this board. Pinterest already knows me so well. But for our purposes today, I'm going to stay focused and I'm going to do what I'm required to do, which includes I am going to hit the plus sign right over here, the one towards the middle there, and I am going to add a section. Okay? And this section in 9th grade is going to be called MAP. Like we've already talked about, this is the My Academic Plan. This is the site created by Iowa State. And in this board, in this particular section, is where we are going to save and reflect upon what we find as you guys explore the MAP website. So please hit Add. And the section is successfully added. So we're going to switch gears. We'll wrap up this video. Please accomplish the goal of making sure your 9th grade board has MAP as a section in it. It's a subcategory of the 9th grade board. And we will be back in touch to make sure we actually start that MAP exploration.